In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to N8N. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your LinkedIn account securely connected inside N8N, so you can kick off automations the moment something happens on LinkedIn. Make sure you're signed in to your N8N workspace and you have access to the LinkedIn account you plan to use. Start by creating a new workflow. From your N8N dashboard, open a fresh canvas and give your workflow a clear, memorable name so you can find it later. Naming conventions help a lot as your automations grow. You don't need to build the entire flow right now. We're focusing on the connection. Saving as you go is a good habit, but the key here is simply to get that empty workflow ready. Next, add your first node using the plus icon. You'll see this icon on the canvas. Click it to open the node selector. Think of the first node as the starting point for your automation. Because we want LinkedIn to start the workflow when an event occurs, we're about to add a trigger node. In the node selector, search for LinkedIn and choose the LinkedIn trigger. Triggers tell N8N when to wake up and run. Depending on what's available in your environment, you can select the event that makes sense for you, such as monitoring your personal activity or an organization page. If you plan to use a company page, make sure your LinkedIn account has the right permissions for that page. You might also see fields asking for things like an organization identifier or what specific activity to watch. Fill in only what's relevant to your use case. You can always refine these settings later once the connection is established. Now connect your LinkedIn account. In the Node's Credentials section, click Connect. A secure sign-in window will open. Log into LinkedIn and grant the requested permissions so N8N can access the data required for your trigger. If the window asks for your email as part of sign-in, enter the email associated with your LinkedIn account. Keep your credentials private and make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. When authentication completes, you'll see the connection listed in N8N, and the node should show that it's using your new credentials. That's it. You created a workflow, added a node with the plus icon, searched for and selected the LinkedIn trigger, and connected your LinkedIn account. From here, you can continue configuring the trigger's options and build out the rest of your automation with confidence.